Where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Of course, you know of the legend of the great Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yeah.
There is a new Jedi, and her name is Rey. And what she believes is a spark of hope that we've all been waiting for. And that is why you're here, to look ahead, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Wielding a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its wielder, with force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let us begin. We will start with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. It is able to focus the energy of the force and then magnify it. Some say it is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. Blue, wielded by the great Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red. It is called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now, Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past, my friends. We are here for you, our future. So now, it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Please, everyone, close your eyes. Please, close your eyes. Please. Yes, close your eyes, please. Now picture it in your mind, and in your mind's eye, I want you to choose your color kyber crystal, and remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and choose your crystal. Trust your instincts, my friends. The crystal is calling to you. Do you see the color you want? Wonderful choice. Do you see the color you want? Do you see your color? Wonderful. You've all chosen your kyber crystal. Please place it on the green crystal holder in front of you. It is now time to join your kyber crystal with the sacred ties you have selected. My friends, it is now time to build the hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber. Consider a few colors, if you will. Also, keep your hands from being disintegrated. We think that's important and the components in these boxes are what you have chosen. We have the chassis.
Assist, because this is the hardest part about putting together the lightsaber. How's it going over here?
Very experienced, you guys.
Absolutely no. Ignore any direction. No, because the smaller side tends to be a little bit easier, but it typically go in either way. Okay. And how's it going over here?
I got it crooked, but then it's not right.
Do you need any help with that?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Here we go. Alright. Backwards, guy back there. So push against the top and then there and slide until it's no, it should be lining up the colors. Let me get one that has a little more energy for you. Because we don't want a tired hilt.
Right.
Alright, so there we go. All set. want to do is add a little pressure. Oh, we had it right the first time. Now I'm going to add a little pressure and twist, and now walk over the pressure. And once that's on, I'm flipping the same thing for the other grip.
Think about where you will wield your lightsaber. What will your story be? Well done. You've all created your hilt and nothing unexpected or traumatic happens. Until now. Which leads us to the most dangerous stage of the process. And for this, please leave your hilts at the station. I need you all to move back. Please. This stage requires one with training and experience like my fellow gatherers here. How are you doing, my friend? Wonderful to hear, especially for someone standing next to a case of thermal detonators. No sudden movements and you'll be fine. How are you doing, my friend?
Good.
Wonderful. You have nothing to worry about. You're just standing next to my lunch. No. Now, my friends.
Many parts over now. Joy they are. Yes. Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Miss Master Yoda. My friends, it is time. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged in a moment. I will tell you to step forward, place your hand on the hilt, and on my signal, we will activate together. Are you ready, my friends?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Please step forward. Place your hand on the hilt. Activate. Builders,
This is a lot heavier than
raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your lightsabers. Now,
Complete your lightsaber. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
thank you, Master Yoda. My friends, what you hold in your hand is remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground, yes? So for your new lightsaber, we are proud to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Now, my friends, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you have created. Perhaps next time, we'll be telling your story. Till the spire!
Thank you for joining us, builders. Don't forget your